What's up guys? So today's video I'm going to show you how to edit your footer credit of your website in 5 minutes. So in 5 minutes, if you stay with me, I'm going to show you how to edit the footer credit of your website easily using two particular methods. So the first method is through your customizer, and the second method is through a plugin that is going to do that for you. So the second method is actually my favorite because most times you get to use themes that do not allow you to use the customizer to edit your footer credit easily. So let me show you how to get started. But before I do that, let's head over to my YouTube channel. So if you're new on this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and also hit the notification bell so you'll be at alert whenever I drop a video on this channel. So while you have done that, let's head over to how to get started. So what you need to do first of all is to go to your dashboard, and when you get here, come to appearance and you click on customize. So here is our customize button. What you need to do is to come here to footer builder and you head over to copyright. Okay, so here let's say we want to change this tech practice you're seeing here. I want to change it to 2024, and tech practice is going to be something like tech savvy made with love. So I have a love symbol which I copied. You can see it here. So you can just come online and search for love symbol and you can copy this. Okay, so that's how I got this love symbol you're seeing here. So when you've done that, you just click on publish. So come to your site and refresh. Let's see what we have. Okay, scroll down. So you can see now, so copyright 2024 tech savvy made with love. So this is how to use the first method. So let me show you the second method, which is actually my favorite, and I recommend that second method for those people who actually are using themes that cannot allow the customized toolbar to enable you edit your footer credit. So head back to your dashboard, and here in your dashboard you go to plugins, you go to add new, and you're going to search for a particular plugin which is called the Visual Footer Credit Remover. All right, I already have it installed, but let me show you how to get yours. Come here and search for Visual Footer Credit. Okay, so you can see it here. So I already have mine installed and is activated. So what I'm going to do is, so my tools menu, see my tools menu here, and it's under tools menu. So I see Visual Footer Credit Remover. Just click on it and it's going to open that area for me to work on. Okay, so it's going to bring you here. So what you need to do is to head over to the footer area where we want to edit. So just scroll down, you can see it here. So once you click, you will see that it will be available here. So I'm just going to come here and change it to whatever it is I want it to be. Okay, so made with love. Okay, so I'm going to click on save, click OK. So head over to your site and refresh. Okay, so you can see now made with love by Tech Savvy. So that is how you use the second method in editing your footer credit. So like I said before, if you're using a theme that does not allow you to edit your footer credit in your customizer, then you should use this second method. All right, so if you watch this video to this particular phase, please make sure you subscribe to this channel, hit the like button and the notification bell so you'll be at alert whenever I drop a video on this channel. Thank you. See you in my next video.